Good day everyone, Ted here. Okay, what you're looking at, 3 canisters, different sizes. This one, see if we can get to read it. I guess I should move it so you can. Anyway, in case you have difficulty with that, it is part number 98583, a 38 ounce 1.12 liter, and it's Anchor Hawking is the company. This one's a little different. It's got Gorilla Tape on the top to blacken it out. Okay, and this one, part number 98584, 47 ounce 1.39 liters. And again, it's an Anchor. Okay, and that one's got coffee beans in it. And this one looks kind of strange, doesn't it, being in an MSR bag? Well, that's one thing I don't have is bags, and I have an MSR stove. Okay, so this one, part number 98585, it's a 63 ounce 1.86 liters. Okay, and again, it's an Anchor Hawking. Now here's where the difference comes in. I've been searching for months to find a billy pot. Didn't want to use a tin can. First off, I don't use any products in the house where a billy can would be made from. Okay, now out the bottom, windscreen, reflector. Does that give you a hint with an MSR stove? Okay, and the bag is a good size. Next, just an old, as a matter of fact, you can see it's stained, it's been bleached. Okay, out comes 4 coffees, 2 hazelnut flavored Taster's Choice. Okay, next, another one of the same. And then, because you know, we sometimes really should have decaf. Okay, this is a Folgers Classic decaf, 2 of them. I just threw them in because they were readily handy. Matches, strike anywhere. Now I have not as yet got a strip to put on the side or inside to strike with. Next, and we'll see if you can get this thing so you can read it. Anyway, I'm not having, it's a Sodo, made in Japan. That little A-shaped thing, tent in front of it is what fools you. Yes, it slides the lock so you can't squeeze it. And you do that and it stays well. Just got them at Mountain Equipment Co-op. And I really would like to have had a polished bowl. The flat bottom is unimportant, except for, I guess, that's the way they made it. And the choices at Mountain Equipment Co-op, they did not have the one with a polished bowl that was metal. I like the stainless steel. Okay, now next, of course, we have to have, and you can see, now I like these more than the flames on the Bic lighter, just because I can aim it downwards. Okay, and out comes my stove. Okay, and it is, oh goodness, Windfire Pro 2, I believe. If I've got it wrong, please forgive me. It's an MSR, and I like it because it has the stand here is fastened to the center, and you can put real small pots and stuff on it, or cups on it. Now, take this out. This was originally, let me get it where you can see it, the bail for a paint can, 1 gallon paint can. I got it from the paint store. Now, I did different bends on it and different ways of trying to get it to work, and this is what I ended up with. You can see the hole here. There you can see it better, and you can see the notch. Okay, on both sides, so there's two of them. I took it out just so I can pull out the next cloth. And this one is with in this case it's an MSR ISOPRO. Goodness, what do they call it? 220. Gross weight 355 grams, 12 ounce. Anyway, this is a mid-sized canister. Now, I marked mine on the bottom. And as you can see, there's not a whole bunch left in the canister. I'd like to think I can get a coffee out of it. And so, I went with this one because although this is a good sized pot, I thought I just might want to do more, including washing dishes if I have a stream or something nearby. I didn't want to go to the solo stove and the canister for it's just, it was too much for me. We have to keep our resources down. So this is going to be an experimental cook set, and we'll see how it turns out. So I'm going to pack it up, and we'll save this video. Hopefully, all going well this afternoon, I'll take it out, and we'll go with this one. We still have an awful lot of snow in the bush, and so I thought I would go with this one, try it out, see how it works for me. If this works for me, great. And yeah, this next, either of the other two sizes, as you can see, when we line them up, there's quite a difference. Now, they have the latch, flips open, and you got the lid, it's hinged. It's actually held on by this bent piece here. I'm trying to get it so you can, okay, it looks like a Z there. Okay? Now, all I did was straighten that out a little bit, and it slid off the bottom. Okay? I kept the top. It has a removable silicone seal, and like I say, I got one more than I actually had to have, and I expect it might get changed in time too. And here, by the way, is what's indicated on the top. Okay? So, there you go. For me, at 19 ounces, sorry, that's 1900 milliliters, or 1.9 liters. That's the most I expect to ever need when I'm out hiking. And since I have an extra one of these, I expect it could end up having one of those eventually as well to work with possibly my Transia or the wood stoves. Okay? Anyway, I'll pack this up and we'll get back to you when I am next able. Take care, all the best, and enjoy the spring that is slowly coming upon us. Heads clear for now.